Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Talkie Soulful AI application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Talkie application on your device, and even if you have not logged into your account already, you will be able to use some of the functions. Now, in order to continue logging in, tap on your account icon at the top left corner and you will be able to see the Continue with Google button. Tap on this button and now you will simply be asked to select your Google account that you used to originally create your Talkie Soulful AI account. Tap on your respective Google account, and once you allow the permission, you will automatically be logged in to your account. Now, once you are logged in, you can directly start swiping and use the application as per your need. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Talkie Soulful AI application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.